Let A be an n cross n matrix such that X transpose Ax greater than 0 for every non-zero vector X in Rn. So this is given information we have. Now on focus this condition, we recall some facts. Positive definite matrix, semi-positive definite matrix, negative definite matrix, and semi-negative definite matrix. So in this case, positive definite matrix, all eigenvalues are greater than 0, means all positive. Semi-definite matrix, eigenvalue equals to 0 and greater than 0. Negative definite matrix, eigenvalues are strictly less than 0, and in semi-definite matrix, eigenvalues are less than equals to 0. From this fact 1, from fact number 1, we can say all eigenvalues of this matrix is positive. Option B is right one.